Want to temporarily share your location with someone, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to temporarily share your location on iPhone for a custom duration. Now let's get started. To get access to this option, you'll need to update your iPhone to iOS 27. If you haven't upgraded yet, check out this tutorial to learn how. To share your location for a custom duration on iPhone, first open the Find My app. This app comes pre-installed on your iPhone, so it should be in your app library. If you've previously deleted the app, you can re-download it for free from the App Store. Open Find My and tap People. Then tap the Add button. Select Share My Location. Choose the contact you want to share your location with. Then choose how long you want to share it for: 1 hour, for today, always, or custom. If you choose custom, you can set a duration anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 days. Then tap Start Sharing. Your location will be shared for the duration you've selected. If you change your mind and want to stop sharing your location earlier than the end of the set duration, select People and tap the name of the contact you want to stop sharing your location with. Tap the 3 dots on the right. Then scroll down and select Stop Sharing My Location. That's all it takes to share your location for a custom time frame on iPhone. Want more helpful iPhone tips and tricks? Check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.